Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. Number 5. The Travel Foldable Electric Kettle by Vantic is a convenient and innovative solution for tea or coffee lovers on the go. The kettle's blue color adds a touch of style to its design. One of its key features is the rapid boil function, which allows users to prepare their hot beverages quickly, saving valuable time, especially during travel or when on the go. Made of stainless steel, the kettle is not only durable but also ensures the safe heating of water. Each detail of the Travel Foldable Electric Kettle by Vantic is carefully designed to provide a seamless user experience. Whether you're a frequent traveler, camper, or simply someone who appreciates a good cup of tea anywhere, this kettle is a must-have item. The package information is labeled in Chinese characters, shui hu, which adds,
Number 4. Vantic Garlic Press. Rocker is a sleek kitchen tool that brings efficiency and ease to your cooking experience. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this garlic press rocker by Vantic stands out for its durability and longevity. The elegant green color adds a touch of style to your kitchen setup, making it a versatile and attractive accessory. Measuring at 4.3 inches in length and 2 inches in width, the compact design of this garlic press rocker ensures convenient storage and handling. Weighing only 3.84 ounces, it is lightweight and comfortable to use for extended periods without causing any strain on your hand. The Vantic brand is synonymous with quality and innovation, and this garlic press rocker lives up to those standards. Its efficient design allows you to mince garlic quickly and effortlessly, saving you time and energy in the kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this kitchen tool is a must-have for anyone who appreciates convenience and functionality.
Number 3. The Zita 17 ounces glass olive oil. Dispenser is a sophisticated and practical addition to any kitchen. Crafted by the renowned brand Zita, known for its quality products, this dispenser combines stainless steel and glass materials to create a durable and elegant kitchen accessory. The reusable bottle is designed in a sleek, dark brown color that adds a touch of class to your countertop or dining table. With a capacity of 17 ounces, this dispenser can hold a generous amount of olive oil, making it convenient for everyday use. What sets this product apart is its easy-to-use design. The dispenser features a convenient spout for controlled pouring, preventing spills and messes. The glass construction allows you to monitor the oil level, ensuring you never run out unexpectedly. Furthermore, the stainless steel components ensure durability and hygiene, making this dispenser a long-lasting and reliable choice for your kitchen. Whether you are cooking a delicious meal or dressing a salad.
Number 2. The Oxo Salad Spinner is a top-tier kitchen tool that effortlessly combines functionality with durability. With product dimensions measuring at 6 into 10.5 into 10.5 inches and weighing just 2.5 pounds, this unisex-friendly product offers convenience without compromise. Manufactured by Oxo, a brand known for its high-quality products, this salad spinner is designed to meet the needs of every household. Apart from being highly functional, it boasts a sleek design that complements any kitchen decor. With an impressive customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 39,641 ratings, it is clear that this product has won the hearts of many. Its popularity is evident as it holds the #1 spot in salad spinners and ranks at #33 in kitchen and dining on bestseller lists. Having been available since July 23, 2008, the Oxo Salad Spinner continues to exceed expectations in terms of performance and quality. The fact that it is not discontinued further solidifies its position.
Number 1. The Maid Smart Classic Mini silverware tray is a reliable and practical solution for organizing your utensils. Crafted from a combination of plastic and rubber materials, this tray is designed to be durable and long-lasting, making it an ideal choice for everyday use. The granite color adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen decor. With product dimensions of 9D into 12.75 W into 1.88 H, this rectangular tray offers a capacity of 12.75 liters, providing ample space to neatly store your utensils. The unit comes as a single count in standard packaging, making it convenient for immediate use. Whether you're looking to declutter your drawers or enhance the organization of your kitchen essentials, The Maid Smart Classic Mini Silverware Tray offers a practical and stylish solution. Its reliable construction and thoughtful design make it a must-have for any household seeking to streamline their kitchen storage. Overall, the Maid Smart Classic Mini Silverware Tray combines functionality,